silver. Now we are based on 1 hour chart and we want to see how we can trade. Alright, we want to see whether we need to look for the uptrend or downtrend. Alright, okay, if we consider this is the only correction and the price can go up, this is the first option. But what we are expecting to get a deeper correction if the price can continue go for higher. In this case, that means we can expect and look for the downtrend, down move, whether from here or the price go higher. Alright, now if I draw a line here, okay, the price whether from here, if come down and we get the sell setup, we can look for the downtrend sell, or also there is a possibility the price come here, hit the line, then go higher, is repeat like this, similar to what we have here. Alright, whether the price go higher. But even the price go higher, if we get any sell setup, we are more interested. Even the price go higher, in terms of the risk and reward, we can get the better trade. Okay, now if I remove and I draw back the line, how we can trade, it depends on the traders. But if the price go higher, if it break sharp, give a small flag, is a good to trade. Alright, we need to see what type of the sell setup we can get, but what we are more interested if we can get the sell. Alright, how about the buy if I go based on the lower time frame? Alright, for buy, if the price is slowly correct here, similar to what we are here, maybe we can look for buy if we get the buy setup. But the question is, where do we want to put our stop loss, whether here, here or here? If we want to put here, in terms of the risk and reward, the trade we get is really not good. Alright, that's why we are more interested in the sell, because if we look for buy, we are not sure whether the price when it hit here can reverse or can continue. Alright, then if we want to look for buy, when we get the buy setup, as long as the price reach to this level, we need to move a stop loss to break even. But if we get a sell, alright, in terms of the risk and reward, we can get a better trade. In this case, we just follow the market and we see how we can trade the market. Now if we go move based on the 4-hour chart, alright, if we can get the similar to the correction we have here, we are expecting to get this kind of the correction, whether similar to what I draw here or the more complex. Alright, we are not sure, but if we can get any correction similar to what we have here, then it's better if we want to look for the up move up and in terms of the long-term trade. Okay, then if we move to one daily chart, see, based on the daily chart, the move we have is quite sharp and we are not sure how high it can go. That's why if we are interested in the buy, at least we're supposed to get the correction that confirm the up move. The reason is, if we move to the weekly chart, alright, the reason is how we want to analyze this. Whether if we consider the full is as a correction and we are expecting the next move up at least to break this high, then yes, we can look for the correction or any source of the trade setup for move up. Alright, but how about for the second option? That means we put this correction similar to what we have here. In terms of the time and length is not similar, but if this is active and this is a correction, first move, correction, and then from there we get one move down. That's why if you want to look for up for buy, we need to get a really good trade and setup and confirmation. In case we are wrong, then the price can reverse. That's why this is how we need to protect our account. That's why I say if you want to look for buy, it's better we get a really good confirmation. Alright, we don't need to simply just buy the breakout of here. In that case, that means this is the only correction we have here. It doesn't mean the price cannot break this high and go higher. It can, but if we want to really trade and protect our account, we're supposed to get the confirmation before we taking any trade, whether for buy or for sell. In this case, we just follow the market, and if we find any trade setup we just share. Thanks.